Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to today's US30 live stream session. I am Louis Prez, and I will be trading live with you today. Let me drink some coffee here. Just give me a second. I'm waking up. All right. So what do we have here? Yesterday, I did go ahead and I did a live stream basically on Sunday's market review, and I pretty much went over my analysis there. So I'm not really going to touch too much on that, right? But two levels that I'm really looking at right now. Right now, price is at a premium zone. So if we go ahead and we take the fibs, grab from that swing low to this swing high here, we'll see that this yellow line is right at the 50% line, right? So above this is premium, below this is pretty much discount, right? If we look at the 1 hour, we could clearly see that price is trending upwards. So two key levels that I'm looking at right now is this level on the 4 hour right here. If this breaks at 9:30, I'll basically enter a long. And if we come down here to the 1 hour, we could go ahead and clearly see that this is a level of interest right here. We could see a reaction here, reactions here, reactions here. So this is a key level for me personally, right? With that being said, if we go to the daily, we could see that the daily still has not taken out the high. If we go to the weekly, we could see that the weekly still has not been taken out. So that leads me to believe that there is going to be a push up at around 9:30, right? So what setups am I looking for on my scalp session? Let's go ahead and see. If price was to break below this level here, then I'll take a short for about 42 points going into discount. If price was to break above this level right here, then I'll go ahead and I'll take a long. That's basically what I'm looking at right now. Anything else that should be of interest here? Let me look at the 5 minutes. Same reaction points. Guys, remember that price is fractal, right? So what's fractal? So what's happening on the daily is basically happening on the weekly, right? So what that means pretty much is that it takes 5 daily candles, right? So 1, 2, 3, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to form a weekly candle, right? And if we come here to the weekly, we could see that price is obviously trending upwards. Price is pushing up, and that's just what it is. Price is trending up, price is pushing up, right? Either way, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I am a full-time trader. I've made over $50,000 in profits from Apex and other prop firms as well. I started my journey pretty much in Asia. I started my journey in Thailand, and now I pretty much do this for a living, and I'm able to provide for my family off these amazing trades that I pretty much set up. I don't really have to do any of this live on YouTube. However, I did decide to go ahead and stream live. It's just something that came across me. I don't know how long I'll be doing it for neither, because there's a lot of weird people on the internet. So let's see how long this lasts for me personally. Either way, with that being said, what I like to see is price at around, like, let's say like 9:15, 9:20. I want to see it kind of retrace here, and then I want to see it push up. If I'm able to see that, comfortably see price push up, then that's more of a higher probability trade for me. So let's see what price does here, guys. Stay present, and if I look at my Apex account here, then I'll pretty much be taking a long here, be taking a short at this level right here. That's pretty much how it's coming on 3 minute, right? Yep. So I'll go ahead and I'll take a short here. Let me see. Actually, no. Actually, I'll go ahead and I'll take a short here, because these are the 3 minute candles here, consolidation there. Yeah, so I'll take a short here and I'll go ahead and I will entertain a long here for about 42 points going up. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So yes, let me see here. Let me look at the 1 hour real quick. See if we're bouncing off any order block here. Came down here, kind of tapped into this imbalance here. It's working its way up. Came down here, then it tapped into this imbalance here. Yeah, so we will most likely see a push up. I'm pretty certain of that, you know. I just don't want that push to happen before 9:30. Also, keep in mind that my streams in general, whether it's YouTube, TV, there is a 5-second delay, and in trading, that's a lot of time, you know. So if you're interested in taking these same trades, these same setups here, just keep in mind that there is a 5-second delay. Set up your levels exactly where I have them. I am charting right now with capital.com, so the prices on the right will be different in comparison to what chart you have going on, right? But what truly matters are these specific levels right here. You know, this is what we're watching for right now, right? And it is another beautiful day in the world. If you gotta wake up today, you know, like, just understand that it's another beautiful day. If you're a beginner trader, just keep in mind that it's gonna take you some time to figure this stuff out, you know. And don't put a date on it, you know. Just show up every day to the charts, buy the courses that you need to buy, join the groups that you need to join. But at the end of the day, it's ultimately gonna come to you and your psychological makeup, quite frankly. And that's the part that we can't determine for other people, you know. Everybody goes through their own individual journey when it comes to that, you know. If you're doing this for the money, get out now. Just leave the channel now if you're doing this for the money, because quite frankly, you need to really have a passion for this if you want to thrive in this industry. You know, I don't focus on the money, you know. I focus on the price action. I focus on price delivery, you know. And the byproduct of that is that I win my trades. And if I win my trades, then I make money, right? But you must understand what's truly happening and what's going on in these charts if you want to succeed, you know. You're trading the probability, and it's just that simple. You're trading the probability. It's that simple. Doesn't get any simpler than that, you know. So yeah. So if anybody has joined the channel, welcome. I am Louis Prez. I will try to stream as much as possible, and that's that, you know. Swing high, swing lows. You know, like, all price does is literally manufacture liquidity, right? Swing lows, liquidity down here, swing high, liquidity down here, liquidity down here, and so forth and so on, right? And then price is always reaching for something, you know? Question is, what is price reaching for, you know? And that's when you take your opportunities, you know? I give myself 6 opportunities per month. I might lose 6, I might lose 5, right? But at the end of the month, I follow very, very strict rules. I only trade 1 time per day per account, and then I leave the rest up to the man upstairs, Jesus Christ. So that's all that you could really do, you know. Nobody really has a crystal ball when it comes to this, so yeah. I hope today's a good day. Do not forget to join my Discord if you have not joined the Discord. I am slowly building up that community. A little bit about myself for those that don't know me. I've been an entrepreneur for over a decade. I've worked with e-commerce. I've built startups. I launched an application that used to help Amazon sellers find products online. I was able to exit that for a couple $1,000s, and then I pretty much decided to travel the world with my brother for the last 2.5 years. And now, after much reflection, I decided to become a trader the last year or so. I was living in Asia, in Bangkok specifically, and that's where my journey pretty much began. As far as learning how to trade online, was tough. I blew a lot of challenges, accounts, and so forth and so on, like many traders do. I'm a Christian man. I do believe in Jesus Christ. He is my Lord and Savior. And at the end of the day, I do believe that there's this abundance in the world that everybody that has a desire to tap into could tap into, you know. But most people are living in scarcity, you know, and they're living in scarcity, and because of the scarcity, they feel like other people are competing with them when nobody's really competing with you. Nobody even cares about you, to be frank with you, you know. People have too much going on to even think about you, and that's just what it is, you know. Either way, with that being said, if you do decide to learn how to trade, this is a skill set that could do wonders for you in your life, you know. But you really have to believe in yourself and not do it for the money, you know. Let the money be the byproduct of it, you know. I'm passionate about these wicks. I'm passionate about these candle closes. I'm passionate about these levels, you know. So I genuinely like to know everything that's happening in this chart, you know. Like, I know that this came down here, it tapped into this imbalance, it came a little bit into this order block, it swang up, it respected it, it came down here again, it tapped into this order block here, and it's making its move now towards higher highs, right? I know that, and I've seen this happen time and time again. Thousands of times I've seen this happen, you know. So at the end of the day, like, that confidence that you see comes from the hours and hours and hours that you're gonna pour into your craft, you know. And you need to give yourself runway to really master this, you know. I say at least a year of true work, not just dabbling in, no, like really tape reading, watching the markets, you know, finding your edge, you know. Like, that's all trading is truly about, is literally finding your edge, you know. And that's a little different for pretty much everybody, you know. But at the end of the day, it's, you know, it's more than possible to make a living out of this, you know. I mean, I'm doing it, so why not? At the end of the day, it's, you know, it's possible to make a living out of this. I'm doing it, so why not? All right, so let's continue to wait here for these sexy entries, these juicy entries, and we'll go from there. We will go from there, guys. All right. Back at it again, guys. I'm Louis Prez. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. I do try to trade live with you guys on YouTube every single day. Keep in mind that there is a 5-second delay on YouTube, and on pretty much any live stream, whether it's TV, you know, there's always a delay. So if you're trying to take my trades, just keep in mind that once I'm in the trade, you're 5 seconds too late if you're taking it at that exact moment. Either way, today's going to be another beautiful day. Whether we win or lose, we're indifferent to our trade because we're playing the long game. Our goal is the monthly P&L. That's all we care about here. The monthly P&L. Are we up 30%? Are we up 5% that month? That's all we really care about. Everything else is straight bogus, it's straight BS. It doesn't even matter to me. You know, because nobody could tell me that if I'm up 30 grand on 20 Apex accounts by the end of the month, that is a bad month. Or even if I'm up 20 grand, that's not a bad month. That's a phenomenal month, right? You see, I like to see this right here. I like to see this retracement right before 9:30. That excites me. That makes me happy. You know, I like to see that. That's good. That means that we're gonna have a most likely a nice move upwards. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. this isn't a bad level neither right here. We could probably look at something like this too. If price was to break this level right here. Yep. Let me come here to 1 hour real quick. Let me eye that real quick. But you do need to be aware for both scenarios. Okay, either here, sell stop, buy stop's gonna go up here for sure. So buy stop up here, sell stop here, down to these levels right here, most likely. Something else is that a little tip, right? You know, you will never get into the trade as fast as a pre-market order. Versus you going ahead and placing the market order yourself. So I always set like at around like 928, 929, I always set my entries. And whatever side it gets me in, it gets me in, you know? But if I was to sit here and physically come here and buy or sell, I'm not gonna get into that trade as fast as setting a limit order on either side. So at 928, I will set my buys above this level right here. Quite frankly, I'm not really interested in sells, to be frank with you. I'm really not interested in sales right now. I have no interest in sales right now. I really don't. I really do not have an interest in sales right now. My interest is literally buys right now, because I know that this is gonna shoot up. What time is it? 9:25. Yeah, so like 9:28-ish, 9:29-ish. I'll go ahead and set my my buy or sell stop. .40 stops. That's pretty much what I like to use. Boom, 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 boom. gonna go ahead and place my buy stop a little bit above that. My TP is gonna go ahead and be, let me see, 48.72, 48.72 plus 42, 49.14. My TP. And for sales, quite frankly, I would really like to see price come down here somewhere. 48.72. 48.72 minus 40. 48.32. And my stop is going to be 48.32. Around here. And then let's say sales was to play out, we'll go ahead and sell stop around this area right here, just in case sales wants to play out. And 40, and we'll do 40. We'll do 40, let me see, 47.73, 47.73, 42, 47.31. This is in case sales wants to play out, guys. It's looking like buys is in play. 48.72. 872 minus 42, that puts me at 48.29. It is a Monday. And I'm in the trade, guys. I'm in the trade. I guess I'll erase this because I'm not going to go ahead and take another trade. I'm in the trade. Let's see how this trade pans out today. That's all we could really do. We could just wait and see. Let's give it some time. Let it breathe. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. You could do it. And we've TP'd, guys. It's a successful trade. We have TP, guys. We made another 390. And that is the day. Let me go ahead and remove this sell stop. And that's the day, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my trading session. It went right up to the T, 42 points. I will probably continue to go upwards, but that was our trade for today. That being said, guys, thank you for joining my stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have another beautiful day. Peace.